Hey guys, make sure you like and subscribe so you can see our videos as soon as they come out.
And give us some ideas in the comments. We'll do pretty much anything as long as it's fun and somewhat safe.
Yeah, y'all, we gotta keep y'all entertained, but you also gotta give us fun things to do.
Yeah.
All right.
I promise you, if you, the longer you wait, it will do it again. I'm saying if you go in there and unplug it, it'll be fine. Mom, you have to.
A few years ago, this hole took my pride. Today I'm gonna take it back.
Woo!
All right.
Yeah, so I guess it's just not my day, not my month. It's just not gonna happen. This hole just is taking my pride forever. But one day we're coming back.
In the car.
No, she did. Is it she? She.
All right, baby, you wanna go across this thing?
How? Hydroplane.
Well, we get you over there, and hey, look, you want to know how? We get you over there, like that way, and I go that way, and we hook up the rope.
On the wakeboard or on the...
Both.
Isn't there a gator in there, Jesse?
It doesn't matter. I gotta get on this level right here. Smile.
I'm flexing so hard.
Oh, it was so much fun. Are we going back to the pond?
I don't know.
We might as well.
Keep that thing.
Up, go, go, go!
What was on my side?
Cool video.
I got E. coli. I got alligators. There's an otter in there.
Bro, I don't know, bro. I don't got E. coli.
Dude, this sucks.
It sucks.